Mayo 23, Martes ng hapon, pinasok ng ilang miyembro ng Mauti ang Marawi. Binihag si Father Chito Suganob at iba pang sibilyan.
It's hard. Kasi there's no such thing as being invincible. So doon mo nakita na vulnerable pala tayong lahat. Everyone is passing by Marawi City, coming from different municipalities. Every time na dadaan sila dyan, the wound opens. Until ma-fix and ma-rebuild ang Marawi City, there's no healing.
Yes.
And a lot of us, nobody went through PTSD. Lahat kami may mga PTSD. Pilipino tayo lahat eh. And then we were in that scenario and then a lot of lives gone for what?
Makalipas ang ilang buwang pakikipagbakbakan ng tropa ng pamahalaan sa mga terorista, napatay ang mga lider nitong sina Omar Maute at Isnilon Hapilon at tuluyan ang nabawi ang Marawi.
So ngayon, after the Marawi siege, ay marami ng mga establishments na naitayo dito. Ito ang isang example. Ngayon, meron ng stadium sa likod natin. At makikita nyo dito na develop, established na yung Marawi Peace Park. Ngayon, ay ginawa na natin Peace Park to emphasize that it is more important to have peace rather than war. This area was declared as a military reservation. We have also established a post here, a military post, so that maiwasan natin in case of another siege ay kayang-kaya na nating rumisponde kaagad. No?
Ngayon, we are showcasing the very rich culture of the Bangsamoro because we want the AFP, kung gaano namin sila tinanggap, ganun din ang tatanggapin sila ng komunidad. And by that, we'll have peace.